धन्यवाद देना
Priang sngobai pi syakatop kubor mentah ke janmit para syuaban pashi ki kubor ke benya nginya petchwai kimat bakongsan. Kerana BJP ban priang burom ya ke jingwan Menteri Rang Badu Syah Shillong. Onya kunting ke TMC ban penrem ya ke BJP bat kiseng baya teolog bat ka ong ka MP ka AITC ka Mahua Moitra. Bat labu ya ki bor pahara ha blok 2 ban pentikna ya ke jing tap vote ka bayat bet ya renti. Ki kubor ki babnya ka Presiden Keri ka Draupadi Murmu kalau ong baka sap ka pong jong ka India kala ban pensa priang ya ka suk kasan ha ka por meminta ka babun satang ka jingban kia bat ka jing yakin at suda. Kalau ong ru ba ki nongrem ka lariti ka India ki long ki bakongsan ha ka ne ka juk minta. Ka Presiden Murmu kalau ong ya ka ne haba ai ka khusnam Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship bat Academy Award jong usnam Arhajar Khat Khandai Arhajar Arpho bat Arhajar Arphway ha ka jing yalang ka balong ha New Delhi henne ka sngi. Haka ni kasngi prangut ki real pokmat kilayo padiang ya ka Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship haka liang ka Performing Arts. Baro ki don chispa ap prangut ki real don sap haka liang ka put ketem ka syat ka rinsan ak drama riti dostur bat ki wei ki balayo padiang ya ka khusnam Sangeet Natak Academy Award. Kini ki khusnam Academy Award ki kuntup ru ya lightly ki khusnam bala penyaso lang. Ka BJP Meghalaya kalong ka bala kre ban pediang burom ya Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi Syah ka jela. Unong yalam barang ba ka seng uba AL hek ulong baladap ban pinbit pinbiang lut ya baro ki jingpen kre bat Menteri Rang Badu Keri one poi ha apa shalong ha kapor kumba khatway beji AA min step bat let shwa sha ususo tham auditorium kum kadak ban kinmau burom ya ki langut ki noya kun lat lut ka jela. Utirot sings im ukiang nang ba bat upatugan sangma. Ula benrap ru ba Menteri Rang Badu Keri sa ajing keren ha ke jingelang ka banlong ha kendai lat bat hadin ka ne sa let pat chatura.
We BJP we are gearing up for the visits of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Now also Modi has not come during this election, but Modi wave is already there. Not only in the urban area or the Shillong city, even in the rural area, remotest rural, people talking about Modi, Modi and Modi. It is first time in the history of Meghalaya. BJP is contesting in all the assembly constituencies. If we are getting only 50 mark also of the 34 constituencies, we will be 15 plus of BJP in the state of Meghalaya. And BJP will be led government in the state of Meghalaya.
Ka MP kaseng All India Trinamool Congress AITC ka Mahua Moitra haba ajing kran ha ka jingya kandu bat ki nong thok kubor kalapan pau ba ka dan ka jing ang nod jong ki brio ban wanra ya ka jing kala ha Meghalaya bat ka jing tu jong ki patba sya ka jingyalang election ha Phulbari kadai ka dak jong ka ne ka jing ang nod haba pen pau ba ki por jong ki seng National Party ki lakut ha India kala ong ba omla ban shania halor ka rukom senshar ar seng. Kalau ong baka TMC kala mi madan ban yakun ya kaseng BJP bat ya baro kiseng ki basen rob bat ka. Kumbala sakhi ha ka jela West Bengal kumjuru kikam bamsap kila pau perthai ha Meghalaya watla kalong ka jela ka barispa ha ka jingdon ki mar po khendo henry ka sarkar ha kini ki sansnem kam shamlale AA ha ka baydai bat ki jingtai ki surok bat ki jaka ai jing sumar.
The people of Meghalaya, the development of Meghalaya is, it's not something to be thrown away. And I think any government that for the past 5 years has been in power and has done nothing for infrastructure, for roads, for healthcare, for all-round development, deserves to be shown the door. And we are here to offer people an alternative. We are fighting here to offer people an alternative. We are here as a national party.
Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi District but Balongru District Election Officer ke Ribhoi District Arpit Upadhai lapentip balabo ia kisipai pahara ha block 2 khanang ban pentikna baka jingtap vote ke banlong ha ka apnyau terek rempang kan long ke bakhoi bat ke balat luny haba ajingkran syakilat pathai kubor haka office trekam jong umenta kasni ulo ong baki board penya district kila shimkia halor ki kaipot balai yo pdiang ba way na ki MLA na West Karbi Anglong ulo ong baki nong tap vote na block 2 om shamla sha ban tap vote haka nik election ka ban wan ha Meghalaya ban pelat na ki jingshong sir jong ki nong tap vote ha block 2 labo ya ki bor pahara bat bakentup ya ki pulet bat ki CRPF bala pelong ru ya ki jingyat petrol da ka kejat kenang baka om don ka jing pentut ha ka por tap vote bat kan long ka basngan bat ka bayat bet yat renti.
And as far as security is concerned, there is no issue and there is no atmosphere of fear or something like that. By the senior officials at the highest level have assured that there will be no hindrance, there will be completely smooth conduct of elections and people will come and exercise their votes and all. And I would also like to say that anyone who is found spreading any kind of fake news or rumors or creating an atmosphere of unnecessarily to creating an atmosphere of fear that can impact the conduct of free and fair elections or a smooth election, then action will be taken against that person accordingly.
Sa kumba shita yaw duna shwa bakajelakan yo yaki election syaka yeng dorbar tauan ketemat election kala penbiang yaki lat jing penkre bakerpang hakitu ki jaka ki bamlat kali. U korresponden ka Didi India u Vishal Baristo ula syong dakaling syaka shnong kamsing ka bahajan kaput Bangladesh ban wanlam syapi yakani ka kubor bakerpang.
Ka Kamseng polling station kedega Jakarta tap vote ka bajangai tam ka badan sya kendong na ki weipat ki jaka sa priau na ba ki patba ki hap ban syong da ka lieng ban poi sya ka ni ka snong ha ka ju ka por ka dei ru ka snong bam padan boarding bala kersyan ya ka da ki solar light ka linti ban poi sya ka ni ka snong ka longtang da ki lieng red balashna hi.
Now our journey on the Midtu River has started. It's a 1 hour long journey and I have with me SDO Jacqueline. Let's talk to her and find out. Jacqueline, it's quite difficult journey and only for 35 voters you have to go there. Why?
It's because there are women and infirm voters who may find it difficult to travel by boat to reach another polling station like Karkhana village. So therefore, because of keeping in mind that now every election should be accessible elections, so therefore Kamsing is also given a polling station.
But this is a very difficult terrain and if it rains then what happens? So how early you have to reach there?
We have to be there 2 days before the poll day. So then we also give polling parties the safety gears so that they'll be ready, and the raincoats, the umbrellas, all of that are given to the poll parties so that they can move easily to the polling station.
So we have the life jacket here, and do you also do the divers also accompany you?
Yes, sure. The divers, we keep them. We identify many divers, like around 5 to 6 divers, so that they accompany the team. So that if there is anything, any risks involved, then the divers will be able to help them. But once they wear this vest, so therefore I think they will be more safe.
So there you heard from Jacqueline. Jacqueline is also accompanying us. Let's go to the village and talk to the voters. How excited are they? Is it for the first time are you voting?
No, it's third time.
Third time. So what all issues are there in your mind that when you go to vote?
Yeah, the first thing that I want, as we seen that there is so hard to walk, and to go there and here also. So I want to develop my village and even the road also, the electricity. So that's why.
And all the village also want the development. Road, we want road, electricity.
There are 35 voters here and 23 houses. With cameraman Senthil and Saurabh in Kamsing village, this is Vishal Baristo for DD India.
Mentapat ngin yapet ya kajing long jingman kasun meneng ha shilong. Ka jingshit ka long 8.r degree Celsius bat ka jing kriat ka long khatway point sun degree Celsius. Ka jing ngem ka haw ka long riu pun riu na ka shispa min step bat sapulai na ka shispa janmit. Kala bandan ka jing hap slap ba malumala hakikat tu ka ni kijaka. Sa sisian pat ngi pen kan mai phi ba ya kani khu bor jungi phila ban pet ha ka jo hi ka por ha ka YouTube channel bat ru phila ban pet ha ki khu bor ba man la kasngi ha ka Facebook Twitter bat Instagram jong ka Didi News Shillong. Shwawan poi ka bukut jong ka thap thup khu bor ngi pet biang sa sisin ya kimat ba kongsan. IT ka President Draupadi Murmu ya ka Khusnam Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship but Academy Award. Ban krek ka BJP ban pediang burom ya ka jingwan menteri rang badu Shah Shillong. On ya kunting ka TMC ban penrem ya ka BJP bat kiseng bayate lok bat ka ong ka MP ka AITC ka Mahwa Moitra. Bat labu ikibor pahara ha blok 2 ban penti kena ya ka jing tap vote ka bayat bet yat renti. Ti para lok katung ila poisha ka bukut jong ka thup ku bor jongi menta ka janmit hadu bangin dia syambiang bat phi la shai kasngi ku blei phi baro.
Adalet 2023 will be held in the office of the Chief Postmaster General, Northeast Circle, Shillong on 17 March 2023 at 11 a.m. through video conferencing. The complainants are requested to send their complaints